to camera at the same time.
Okay.
All right, now go ahead.
Hi, I'm Mark. This is my first week on the job, and I'm looking forward to using OpsTechPro, especially now that I heard that you're rolling out an app, because that was one of my first questions
Yes,
when I heard your story at my interview.
you heard? That's
Yes.
awesome.
So,
What did you hear on your interview? Tell me.
that you used to be an engineer, and that you developed the software that they're using.
That's awesome.
And I saw it. I saw it on the desktop.
Yes.
Explained to me by the GM, and then better explained to me by the housekeeper,
Yes.
which I thought was funny. And I was like, oh, it's similar to, I won't say what brand, but similar to like what I had been using.
Okay.
And then asked about the app. Like I said, I was like, oh, well, that's unfortunate. And I get here, and today I find out you're rolling out the app, so I was very happy.
Now, what hotel did you just join?
The Home2 Suites in Jacksonville.
Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, that hotel was with us for several years now. And I hope you employ your experience from the past using different systems and adopt OpsTechPro. Listen, I'm going to be and my team on a Zoom call anytime you go from step to step. So we don't.
I saw that. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I embrace all sort of maintenance software. I've always liked it
Yes.
since inception. I know some people are resistant, but it just keeps track of everything better from my end.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize how it was being used
Yep.
by, like, say, the corporate end. You know, showing owners, investors, like, hey, this is what we're doing and how we're keeping track of everything. I didn't realize that whole dynamic until today.
I'm so glad you mentioned that, because I'll tell you what, communication is so important. You know, teamwork is so important, but also us knowing what is our place in this entire game. You know, why is this hotel here? You know, somebody actually invested their money to put that hotel here to benefit in a long run. Now, today, all of us benefit from this hotel. Our guests that are coming in, you because you have a job, I because I have you to serve, and all of us benefit because somebody put the money in so this hotel can be here. So our job is there to support that person who gave us opportunity to have what we have today. And that is what our role in the game is. And when it is so beautiful when people come in and say, like, I get it. Now I'm going to be happy to wake up in the morning and go to work because I know all the players in the game. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. We're all in this together. Some people don't seem to understand that. We all have the same job.
Yes.
And the same goals in life. And it's nice when it works together like this, instead of people thinking they're individual and working against each other. And software like this helps. It makes it easier.
That's very cool, Mark. I'm looking forward to working with you and your team
Me too.
to make it successful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for stopping by.